I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Samsung S24 Ultra supports dual SIM, one eSIM and one physical, or two physical nano SIMs depending on the model. Once confirmed, power off the phone to avoid detection errors, then use the ejector to access the tray. Insert SIMs with gold contacts facing down and ensure they sit flush. Misalignment causes read failures. After reinserting the tray, power on the device so the system can detect both lines and proceed to software activation. Once the phone boots, go to Settings, then Connections and SIM Card Manager to view detected lines. You enable each SIM slot or eSIM here. If one is grayed out, tap to activate and follow carrier prompts. Make sure to label each line so you can identify them during calls or messages, then assign default behavior. Choose which SIM to use for calls, SMS, and mobile data. These choices simplify everyday use and avoid accidental charges by preserving your preferred carrier for each task. To finish, you should test both lines. Place a call, send a text, and browse using mobile data to confirm functionality. If one line shows no signal, restart the phone and try toggling airplane mode on then off to force network re-registration. Make sure the correct APN settings are applied for data. If issues persist, contact the carrier to confirm provisioning or eSIM activation. This final check ensures you can switch lines smoothly and prevents billing or connectivity surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.